Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect Zosi camera to phone. Firstly, download the Zosi Smart app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open the app, then log in using your Zosi Smart username and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one. Now tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to add a device. Choose the device type you want, like DVR or IP camera. Your phone's camera will open automatically. Locate the QR code on your DVR or camera. Then point your phone's camera at the QR code to scan it. If you receive a message that QR code is expired, tap the pencil icon in the top right corner and enter your device ID manually. Enter the exact device ID from your system and enter your DVR's password. This is not the app password. If you haven't set one, leave it blank. Choose a name for your device and tap Next to complete. Once the device is added, tap on it to access the live feed. Select the cameras you want to view from the drop-down menu and allow few moments to buffer in. Image quality depends on your internet speed. If needed, go to Network, Substream in your DVR settings to modify video quality for better performance. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.